What if everything you've ever known, every person you've ever met, is just one microscopic speck in an endless void? To find out, we have to start right here. This is our home planet, suspended alone in the dark. But Earth is just one of 8 completely different worlds, all held tight by the gravity of a perfectly ordinary star we call the Sun. Because we spend our entire lives walking on this single rocky sphere, our brains struggle to comprehend the sheer, overwhelming size of the cosmos we live in. The universe is so massive that measuring it in miles or kilometers quickly becomes mathematically useless. To make sense of the distances out there, we have to use the fastest thing in existence as our ruler, the speed of light. Even at 186,000 miles per second, light takes 8 minutes to cross the gap from the Sun to Earth. Keep watching that pulse. Traveling outward to the gas giants, the timer shifts to hours, revealing massive empty space between our planetary neighbors.
If you shrank the Sun down to the size of a tennis ball in your hand, the very edge of our solar system would still sit miles beyond your own neighborhood. When measuring our own planetary backyard forces us to abandon human logic, venturing into deep space demands a complete mental shift. That massive solar system we just measured is actually a single microscopic address very deep within the Milky Way. This immense spiral structure holds hundreds of billions of other stars, many containing their own planetary systems. Zoom out even further and you see the cosmic web. The Milky Way clusters together with countless other galaxies in a glowing, interconnected network. Next to this sprawling structure, our entire Sun and all of its planets vanish completely into the background. At these extreme distances, the vacuum of space gives way to environments where the foundational rules of nature begin to break down. Far away from Earth, the universe is governed by violent physical forces that completely contradict our safe planetary experience. Take neutron stars. These are dense, spinning spheres no wider than a single human city, yet they pack the total mass of an entire sun. Then there are black holes. Here, mass and gravity become so intense, they visibly warp the fabric of space and time. These destructive objects stand in sharp contrast to the quiet, stable orbit of our homeworld. Mapping these violent objects is how we document the mechanical rules governing the entire cosmos. Let's return from those extremes to the tiny blue pixel where our story began. Compared to the light years of the cosmic web, our physical footprint is nearly invisible, and yet we have spent decades reaching out to probe that void. We started by building massive rockets, using sheer mechanical brute force to break free of Earth's gravity. Since then, we have established a permanent presence off-world. Our engineering keeps humans alive and working in the freezing, airless vacuum of space. This relentless drive to explore has allowed us to bridge the immense gaps between worlds. Our robotic extensions have traveled vastly further than our physical bodies ever could, acting as our eyes on alien worlds. Human-made probes have charted the icy moons of gas giants and physically crossed the boundary line out of our solar system. Every new measurement captured and every photograph sent back only deepens the profound mystery of our existence. The more we learn about space, the more mysterious and beautiful it becomes. If you enjoyed this journey through the universe, subscribe for more such informative space content.